I've got the little Labradoodle puppy pickup day. I'm having trouble with puppy pickup. All because it's a bit of a tongue twister. I didn't even get Rudolph started on trying to say it because he really, really wasn't up to it. And of course, that one's written by April Cox and illustrated by Len Smith. And if anyone doesn't know what a Labradoodle is, it's a little dog that's a cross between a Labrador and a poodle. Is that right, April?
Yes, that's right. That's right. And this was inspired by my little dog, Brady, and also has illustrated pictures of my grandkids, me and my husband in there. So it was a lot of fun creating this for my grandkids.
Yes, the people looking will recognize that the grandma in this looks a lot like April Cox. I'm not in this one. I'm sorry. I can't be in all the books. Today is the day. Wake up, wake up. Today is the day, barked the littlest pup. 7 more puppies jumped from their beds as the little one yelled, wake up, sleepyheads. Primping and fussing with hairbrush and comb. Today all the puppies will get a new home. So eager and happy, they run off to play, excited and ready for their big day. When 2 of the doodles played tug on a rope, for the littlest pup there wasn't much hope. When the others could jump, catching balls just for fun, the littlest pup couldn't catch even one. You're too small, the other doodles cried, as with a big thump he fell off the slide. He sighed and he plopped himself under a tree, saw rabbits and said, hey, you're little, like me. Joining the bunnies, he ran and he raced. He wasn't too small to play tag and be chased. Under bushes and trees, over bridges they crossed. Then little Pulp yelped, oh no, I'm lost. I must get back. I cannot stay. Today is puppy pickup day. In the meantime, some families began to arrive. They each picked up doodles, and then there were 5. Aunt Nola Doodle said goodbye to each one as she patted their heads a few times, just for fun. Hello, said the puppy to Evie the cat. I've run a long way. How do I get back? Through the long grass, she said, over the hill. Find a small stream and a bullfrog named Bill. He walked by the water looking for Bill, who was chasing a fly and wouldn't stand still. I must get back. I cannot stay. Today is puppy pickup day. While the pup was wondering what he should do, 3 more were picked up, and then there were 2. With grandkids excited who just couldn't wait, we drove up to meet our fluffy playmate. Grandpa and Carrie were singing a song, with Jackson and me clapping along. The pup saw his friend Abra as she came in sight, and he knew everything soon would be right. I must get back. I cannot stay. Today is puppy pickup day. They then heard giggles from kittens at play. Join us, they all said. It's a beautiful day. I must get back. I cannot stay. Today is puppy pickup day. Follow us to a shortcut, the pup's new friend said. He tried to hold tight, but fell right on his head. The littlest doodle ran back toward the gate. He squeezed under the fence, afraid he was late. I must get back. I cannot stay. Today is puppy pickup day. After a long and bumpy drive, his very own family was last to arrive. Could this new family love a clumsy pup whose legs had trouble keeping up, who needed help after too many falls, failed at tug and couldn't catch balls? He worried his family wouldn't like him at all, but he gave them a smile and tried to stand tall. He was dirty and scared and just wanted to hide. But he took a deep breath and he headed outside. Then Bella saw him. Look, here he is. Have you ever seen a face sweeter than his? All dirty, said Kiri, making a face, but Nola knew how to remove every trace. Into the tub our puppy was plunged. Off came the grass and the mud with a sponge. As the dirt and the grime were then washed from his eyes, he clearly saw now that they loved his small size. Puppy pick-up day at last was done, with a final pat from Nola. Make us proud, little one. Welcome to the family. It's been quite a day. The first of many adventures coming your way. And look out for more adventures with Brady, the little Labradoodle, and his friends, coming soon. And look, they named him Brady. And that's our middle story. I think you'll agree it was a lovely one.
Thank you so much for reading that. You did a great job.
Well, thank you.
Very lovely. I'm honored to have Santa reading the story.
I really liked that one. There's another one, isn't there, already with his sister? People should perhaps
that's right. Yeah, we have 2 other books in the series, and we have one more on the way, which I'm hoping to get finished for Christmas. And it's going to be a little Labradoodle Christmas. So we're working on that one now.
I think he's going to enjoy Christmas.
For authors that are here watching or joining us, and if you would like to talk about how Santa can come back and do some more readings, we have additional demand to come back and you want your stories read by Santa, we will absolutely bring him back. Do you have any messages for the children before we close out for our time today?
I do. I'd like to say thank you for being good and for being kind. I think more children, get on my nice list than grown-ups for being kind. It seems like it's automatic for children, whereas a lot of grown-ups have to make the effort, and it's well worth making the effort. But for children, it doesn't seem to be an effort. They just seem to be naturally kind.
Thank you so much. Have
You're
a wonderful
very
day.
welcome. And thank you to the authors and the illustrators for these lovely books. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.